Lineup. The 2016 Porsche Panamera lineup includes Panamera, $78,100, Panamera Edition, $80,000, Panamera 4, $82,800, Panamera 4 Edition, $84,300, Panamera S, $93,200, Panamera SE Hybrid, $93,200, Panamera 4s, $98,300, Panamera 4S Executive, $125,600, Panamera GTS, $113,400, Panamera Turbo, $141,300, Panamera Turbo Executive, $161,100, Panamera Turbo S, $180,300, Panamera Turbo S Executive, $200,500, Panamera Exclusive Series, $263,900. Prices are MSRP and do not include destination charges. Walk around. The bold Panamera looks inspire strong responses, pro and con. From head-on, it looks like a Porsche 911, with big intakes, domed hood and crisp details, but from the rear it looks big and bulbous. It has a long roofline that binds an unsettling configuration of curves and drops toward the tail in a bubbled arch. It creates great room for the passengers in the rear seat, which is what the car is all about, but gives up elegance in the styling. The rear end is simple and clean, but the large roof and glass make it suffer. Interior. There's less debate in the cabin, which is stylish and high-tech. With straight lines and flat surfaces, it's not warm and organic like some luxury cars. It also uses real buttons and switchgear, not touchscreen menus like some luxury cars. The fit and finish is excellent, and materials of a high quality, although it isn't as quiet in the cabin as a luxury sedan. In the back, with ample room and features, it does feel like an executive limo, especially the executive model with long rear doors. Behind the seats, under the glass hatch, there's a ton of room. Porsche says 2 bicycles will fit back there. Driving impression. We'll jump straight to the GTS, because that's the Panamera we like most, because it's the model that feels most like a Porsche. It's not the fastest, only the second fastest after the turbo. It's a normally aspirated V8, with 440 horsepower and 384 pounds-to-foot, and it's the best sounding, while being faster than the 3.0-liter V6 turbo that's in the Panamera S, which, with two-wheel drive and without the Sport Chrono package, takes 4.9 seconds to get to 60 miles per hour. The GTS can do it in 4.2 seconds, so there. Who needs turbos when you have a big honkin' V8? Of course, if you want to bolt twin turbos onto that V8, you get the 520 horsepower Panamera Turbo, which can hit 60 in 3.9 seconds. But that doesn't make it the best Panamera to own. Its driving dynamics aren't as pure as those of the GTS, which handles more sharply and precisely.